Hello everyone, my name is Ibtisam Afzal and I am a third year computer science student at ComScience University Islamabad Sahiwal campus. Today I am going to be your section leader and we are going to explore a fun and practical programming problem. Have you ever wondered how much you would weigh on Mars? If not, then without wasting any time, let me share the code we will be working with. At first glance, it might look difficult, but don't worry, we will break it down step by step. First of all, we have to take the earth weight from the user. For that purpose, we can take the input like this. Input, enter the weight on earth. Now we have to store this user input in some variable. We would say user weight. Now what is a variable? Variable is, you can say, variable is a storage box in our memory that can store values. Now we have to calculate the weight on Mars. As we know that the weight on Mars is 37.8% lesser than on Earth. So we have to multiply our user weight with 0.378 like this. User weight multiply by 0.378 and we have to store the answer of this multiplication in some variable. We would say Mars weight is equals to. Now we have to show the output of our calculation. For that purpose, we can write print the weight on Mars is. Now we have to pass the Mars weight to our print statement. Mars weight. Now test the program. Let's say 92.7. Oops, there is an error. We have to convert our user input to a floating number in order to calculate the Mars weight. For that purpose, we would say float and pass the this variable user weight, and we have to store the new value to a new variable earth weight, and now we have to pass earth weight to our calculator. Now check the solution. Let's say 92.7. Yes, our program is successfully calculating the Mars weight. Now see this value. Let's say this value is used 5,000 times in our program and we have to change this value. For, and we have to change this value. This might be a difficult task. So to make it easy, we would use constants like this. Mars multiple is equal to 0.378. Now, instead of putting the value here, we would use our constants Mars multiple. Now, if we have to change the value of Mars multiple 5,000 times, we have to change only once here. Now test the program. let's say 92.7. Yes, our program is successfully running and it is calculating the mass weight. Thank you.